Last year there was a very unfortunate incident where my drone collided with a paraglider. And nobody was hurt, but I burnt a lot of bridges because of that incident. My drone has not been working properly ever since. Now, whenever I fly the drone up to like 10 meters and it would just disconnect from the RC. As you see, a lot of my videos, a lot of drone shots were also used. And I really felt handicapped when my drone was not working. I gave it to a friend of mine who cleaned the drone from the sand which had gone in. And then I also tried to repair the RC by myself. And I broke it while opening the cover. So it was time to call experts, and then I delivered the RC to X-Boom in Bangalore. And they fixed the RC and they have actually couriered it to me, which reached me on 30th December. So today I thought that would be a really good day to take it out on a test flight, and let's see how it works. I also realized that when the frequency is in dual band, the connection is unstable. This is because the communication of the frequency goes to 5.8 gigahertz, which somehow doesn't work on my phone. Now let's look at 5.8 gigahertz, and you see the RC, the signal of the RC will just drop right now. There you go, 1 bar down, and there you go, orange. See? And now I just go back to frequency settings. It changes to 2.4 gigahertz, and voila, the RC was in full control. Let's hope that it returns properly here and no obstructions are there from trees to cables. Let's see what happens. Wish me luck.